Hi guys, I just wanted to come on to do like a short tandem feeding video. I've not really done anything like this before. As you can see, here's Georgie. How old are you?
2.
You're 2. You're 2.5, aren't you?
Yeah.
And here's Poppy. How old's Poppy? Do you know?
2.
No, Poppy's 6 months old.
Yeah.
She's 6 months old.
Well,
And you would like what? Yeah, that's your way of saying boob milk, isn't it? Hey, you want boob milk?
Yeah.
So Poppy's having a good suck, isn't she? Yeah, I know you do, Baba. You're tired. Poppy's having a good suck. She's really tired. She's not... Stop. She's not slept properly all day. And there's little Georgie hopping himself on. Oh, it's gone quiet all of a sudden, isn't it? And you want to get comfy. Don't lean on Poppy too much because you'll hurt her. And then she'll get upset and she'll scream. Yes? And we don't like it when she gets upset, do we? In a minute, from Georgie sucking and from Poppy sucking, the milk will just start coming through really, really fast. Oh dear. She's just having a little whinge like she tends to. Simba knows when I'm feeding, don't you? You like to get snuggled up close by, don't you? For a little cuddle. Yeah? Georgie has not had a sleep all day today. And he's really tired. I think, no, he has had a sleep. He had about 5 minutes, but then I had to wake him up straight after because he had to go on the school run to get Bobby and Frankie and the girls. And Poppy hasn't slept all day because as soon as I lay her down, she just like wakes up. So she's been on the go constantly. This is actually the first time in, I'd say, a week and a half since I've like tandem fed them both together. You're gonna go night-nights, Baba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shut your eyes. The feeding with Georgie is getting a lot less frequent these days. He does want to feed, but it's not always convenient, and I feel quite guilty about that. It's just Poppy is quite a demanding baby, and if she's not in one of her fussy moods, then it makes it easier for me to feed them both at the same time. She's not in a fussy mood tonight, so, you know, it's going quite well, really. If she does start to fuss, then I'll change her position so her legs aren't near Georgie's, because I think he irritates her, like laying on her, like that. When I'm tandem feeding, I actually find it easier to hold Poppy in this sort of position with her legs under my arm. I think it's called the rugby ball hold. And Georgie's just laid as he would be. Is that nice, Georgie? You missed that? Yeah? Have you missed having some boob milk? Oh, you know, I kind of feel like feeding Georgie is coming to an end. It's getting less and less frequent, and as much as it upsets me, I know that he's getting a big boy because his speech, don't rub her head too hard. His speech is coming on so much in the last few weeks. He's just like such a bright little thing, starting preschool soon, and yeah, it's just a really difficult thing to explain to you all, I suppose. Kind of bittersweet because, do you want some more? You get comfy, go night-night. Because although I know that he enjoys it, he's kind of like, it doesn't get him to sleep in the same way as it used to. Hopefully it will tonight because I've got things to do. But yeah, I just thought I'd like come on and show you what it's like on the days where I do feed. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but this is kind of what happens in my life. And I kind of wanted to record this moment as well because it doesn't happen as often as what it used to. I'm not upset about this because it's just like nature's way, but I kind of wanted to cherish this moment while it lasts. So yeah. Hope that you guys are all alright, and I will see you all soon.